The former couple are saying goodbye to the home renovation series after almost 10 years. Tarek El Moussa and Christina Haack are officially bidding adieu to Flip or Flop. The HGTV renovation series, which debuted in 2013 and made the former couple household names, will come to an end after the current season's finale. Tarek El Moussa and Christina Haack are longtime, fan-favorite stars on HGTV, and it's true that Flip or Flop is coming to an end after an epic 10-season run as a top-rated unscripted series, HGTV said in a statement to People on Thursday, March 10. More than 90 million viewers have watched the popular series since its premiere in 2013, the statement continued. We look forward to seeing more of Tarek and Christina's real life, real estate and renovation adventures in upcoming episodes of their solo series Flipping 101 with Tarek El Moussa and Christina on the coast. Flip or Flop followed Tarek and Christina buying up residential properties, improving them and selling them, hopefully, for a profit. The show, which has been a massive hit for HGTV, launched its 10th season last year. During its hugely successful run, it also catapulted its hosts to stardom. Related gallery. Tarek El Moussa, see photos of the star. I will be forever grateful to have had a series for a decade, Christina told the outlet. It's a huge accomplishment and everyone who worked on the show should be very proud. As she and Tarek went through a very public divorce during the show's run, she added. The series made it through ups and downs, and trust me, it wasn't always easy. The hostess also announced the news in a heartfelt message to Instagram, alongside a sweet photo of the crew from Flip or Flop. From the bottom of my heart, I want to thank each and every one of you who have watched the show throughout the years. I am beyond grateful for the support, she wrote. I also want to thank the amazing crew who worked so hard to make this show possible. It's been a wild ride to say the least. Tarek also took to his Instagram on Thursday to thank the fans, writing, after an incredible 10-year run, Flip or Flop is coming to an end. This show would not have been possible without all of you following along, so thank you. He added, you guys have been with us through it all, you watched me beat cancer, you've watched the babies grow up into the most amazing little humans, and everything in between. But I'm not going anywhere, and I can promise that you are going to love what comes next. Fans can still catch Christina on the Coast, which premiered in 2019, and Tarek on Flipping 101 with Tarek El Moussa, which debuted 2 years later.